Heather, it's absolutely freezing today, and I just don't want to go anywhere. Is this kind of weather going to continue? It's going to get any worse?
For a few more days, it will warm up a little bit. I'm actually using the term frigid today instead of cold. As we look at high temperatures across the state, 14 for Goodland, 15 for Garden City, Wichita a little bit warmer at 18, and Pittsburgh at 24. Now as we look at the low temperatures for today, everyone below freezing, well below freezing in fact, in the teens, -1 for Goodland. We're actually going to get as low as 7 degrees tonight. Now for the next slide, I replaced the cold temperatures with the wind chill. So you can see everyone now dips down into the single digits. For many of us, that's even negative single digits, Lawrence included. So tomorrow will warm up about 10 degrees across the state. 24 for Goodland, 28 Garden City. Kansas City will be 28 as well, and we'll be right in that range. We'll be 28 for a high. The lows tomorrow, mid-teens for the western half of the state, or for the eastern half of the state, excuse me, the western half of the state will be cooler than us at 6 and 10 degrees. Now, once again, I replaced the cold temperatures, the low temperatures with wind chills. That really doesn't affect us as bad tomorrow because we don't have as much wind, but the western half of the state, it will considerably lower their temperatures. Now, as we look at the satellite image, you see we have some low cloud cover. It's not really moving very fast, and it doesn't have any precipitation with it. Now as we back up and look at the national radar, you can see most of the precipitation is to our north and our west, and New York right now and Boston are getting heavy rain, 6 to 8 inches of snow north of them. That will turn to rain as it warms up. But Madison, Wisconsin, 14 to 15 inches of snow. So I'd say we got the good end of the deal with this storm. And as you can see, those low pressures, that's a system that just passed us and we'll be replacing with this high pressure and clear sunny skies. Sunny, but not warm. There's a difference. Now tomorrow, as we look at the jet stream, that tells us exactly why we have sun, but we have a source of frigid air in the upper atmosphere coming from the north. Tomorrow, everything continues to move to the west and the north. But watch these, there's a system in Canada and one off the western coast of California. Both of those are actually coming our way. It's a race. The one from Canada I think is going to win on Monday. They're both cold fronts, so it really doesn't matter which one hits us. But it'll have a little less moisture, the one from Canada. Now tomorrow we'll have a low of 10 degrees and wind 7 miles per hour tonight, partly cloudy. Tomorrow the wind shifts to have a little more southerly component at 8 miles per hour, a high of 28 degrees, so we're warming up a little bit. And tomorrow night we'll have a low of 16 degrees and the winds will be at a southwest at 5 miles per hour. It'll be clear.
Thank you, Heather.